Yo, this is a sieve, and the sieve in application to construction is used in order to differentiate particle size. Particle size in construction matters a lot because for a particular grade of concrete or for a particular structure, you need a certain size of particle to achieve the outcome that you want. So basically, this sieve is used in order to get a particle size of 5 millimeter. So it means that the target or the aim is to get aggregates that are less than 5 mm. And how you achieve this is by making sure the laborer on site sieve. If this is the heap of your sand and you're looking for to get a 5 millimeter size aggregate, what you should do, you should ask the laborer to scoop and then sieve. Now, what this has simply done is that it has rejected those 5 millimeter size aggregates, and these other ones are unnecessary or not needed for this construction, so they will be discarded away.